Introduction: New Luxury Bike. Welcome to New Luxury Bike, your trusted channel for the latest updates on premium motorcycles and scooters. Today, we take a closer look at one of Honda's most versatile and stylish machines, the 2025 Honda X-ADV 750. This scooter is not just about urban commuting, it's a bold crossover that blends the agility of a scooter with the toughness of an adventure bike. Bold design and styling. The 2025 XADV 750 continues its reputation as a head-turner. Its futuristic and aggressive styling gives it the look of a premium adventure scooter, with sharp lines, a muscular stance, and rugged details. The new LED lighting system enhances visibility, while the tall windscreen and robust fairings provide excellent wind protection. Honda has also introduced fresh color schemes for 2025, making the XADV 750 even more striking on the road. Performance and engine. At the heart of this machine lies a 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth performance and versatility. It delivers strong mid-range torque, making it ideal for city rides as well as open highways. The engine is paired with Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, offering seamless gear shifts for both manual and automatic modes. This ensures effortless riding in traffic while still giving riders control during spirited rides. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the XADV 750 with advanced technology for a premium riding experience. The 5-inch TFT display offers clear information and supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and music control. Riding modes, traction control, and ABS provide adaptability across different terrains, whether you are navigating city streets or exploring light off-road paths. The keyless ignition and smart storage solutions add convenience to everyday use. Comfort and practicality. Designed for long-distance comfort, the XADV 750 features a spacious seat, adjustable windscreen, and a relaxed riding posture. With under-seat storage large enough for a full-face helmet, it balances practicality with style. The suspension system, consisting of long travel forks and a sturdy rear shock, ensures smooth performance on uneven roads. Combined with wide handlebars and a comfortable seating position, the scooter is perfect for both urban riders and adventure enthusiasts. Variants and pricing. For 2025, Honda is expected to offer the XADV 750 in multiple trims, catering to different rider preferences. Pricing varies by market, but this premium adventure scooter will sit at the higher end of Honda's lineup, reflecting its advanced engineering and features. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XADV 750 is more than just a scooter. It's a bold statement for riders who want adventure, technology, and style in one package. Whether used for daily commuting or weekend exploration, this machine delivers